Want an easy way to make a cozy and comforting baked potato soup? Start by chopping 8 strips of bacon and cooking the bacon in a large pot until crispy. While that's cooking, cube and rinse 3 pounds of Yukon Gold potatoes. Set those aside for now. Also, chop 1 medium diced yellow onion and set aside. Drain off the grease from the bacon, except for 2 tablespoons. Remove the cooked bacon from the pot and set aside. Add 2 tablespoons of butter to the pot, along with the 2 tablespoons of bacon grease, and sauté the diced onion until the onion is clear. Dice 8 garlic cloves and sauté those with the onion for 30 seconds. Add a 1/4 cup of flour and stir for about a minute. Slowly whisk in a cup of heavy cream along with 2 cups of milk. When that is thoroughly blended, add 4 cups chicken broth and stir well. Stir in 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt, adjusted to your liking. Then add 1 teaspoon pepper, a teaspoon of chicken bouillon, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. Stir in the cubed potatoes. Bring to a boil and cook until fork tender. Reduce your stove heat to medium-low and let it simmer. Set a few tablespoons of bacon bits aside to use for topping. Stir in 2 cups of freshly grated cheddar cheese along with the remaining bacon bits. Blend or mash until the potatoes are smooth. Serve into a bowl and top with cheese, sour cream, bacon bits, and chopped green onions. This tastes as yummy as it looks. Big thanks to Here's Your Bite. To get everything on the food rack, be sure to hit that subscribe button.